Struggling to build a website for your spa and feeling lost in all the techie stuff? It doesn't have to be that way. Hey, I am Altaf, a web and marketing expert with 17 plus years of experience. I've helped small businesses in the UK and US grow online, and today I am here to help you too. In this video, I'll walk you through how to easily customize this free template, step by step. No experience needed, just a few simple clicks, and your spa's website will be looking amazing. Let's get started and make your spa website look great. First, click the template link in the description. Then click Clone in Webflow. Once it's cloned, you'll see it in your dashboard. Go ahead and rename it to your business name and open the project. Before we dive in, let's quickly get familiar with some important panels. On the left, you've got the Add Elements panel. This is where you can drag in buttons, images, videos, forms, and background elements. Next, there's the Components panel. This is where reusable elements like navigation bars, cards, and footers live, so your design stays consistent across the site. Then we have Variables, which makes it super easy to change your site weight, colors, and text styles in just a few clicks. And finally, the Assets panel. This is where you will upload all your images and media files to use throughout the website. Alright, let's start customizing the template, and we'll begin with the header. This is where your logo and navigation live. To change the logo, just double-click the header section, click on the logo and replace it with yours. Make sure your logo is the right size so it fits nicely. These are the navigation links that direct users to different sections or pages. If you want to rename them or link them somewhere else, just click on each link, update the text and set the link. Whether it's to a section on the page, another page, or even an external website. The same goes for all your call to action buttons. Make sure they're clear, work properly, and lead to the right place. And don't forget to add a contact number if needed, especially for mobile users. Now let's change the colors. Click on the section where you want to update the background, then go to the Style panel. Under Background, you'll see the current color. Just click it and choose the new one you want. If you want to add a brand new color, head over to the Variables panel. Go to the Primitives section and you can easily add your custom colors there. Once added, you can apply them to any section across the site. Next, let's update the text. Just double-click on any text element and you can start typing right away. Super simple. The same goes for button text. For each button, you'll also want to add a link. Just click on the button, go to the Settings panel, and you can either link to another page, a section on the same page, or even an external site. Repeat this for all your buttons to make sure everything's working as it should. Now let's replace the video. Just click on the video element, go to the Settings panel, and you'll see an option to replace the video link. Click it and add your own video. Just make sure the dimensions of your video fit well within the section, so everything looks clean and professional. Next, let's move on to the service section. Changing the text here is just like we did before. Simply double-click and update it. You will also notice a View More CTA. This button should redirect to each individual service page. To do this, just click the button and set the link to the corresponding service page after you've created it. For all the service buttons, you can set up the links the same way. Just click each one and redirect it to the correct service page. If you want to change the button colors, go to the Style panel and update the colors to match your brand. Next is the About section. Click on the image, go to the image settings and replace it with your own. Don't forget to add alt text for accessibility and SEO. After updating the image, you might notice that some of the text colors don't look quite right. If that happens, just head to the Style panel and adjust the text and button colors for better visibility and contrast. Next up is the Gallery section. This is where you really start to impress potential clients, so it's important. Make sure to upload high-quality photos that are the right size and resolution so they display perfectly across all devices. Now we are at the Offer section. After seeing the transformation, this is the moment when trust is built, so your offer really matters. Focus on writing a clear conversion-driven message that speaks directly to your audience. Update the CTA to make it easy for them to take action. Ideally, it should lead straight to booking a call without any extra steps. Also, make sure the image clearly supports and explains your offer visually. Next is the personal treatment section. This is where you highlight the problem your audience is facing and how your service provides the solution. Edit the text just like before, but make sure the CTA button is linked correctly. It should guide users exactly where you want them to go, whether it's a detailed page or a booking link. Next is the testimonial section. You can change the video and text the same way we did earlier. Just click and replace. If you want to add more slides, go to the navigator panel, copy one of the existing testimonial items, paste it, and customize it with new content. You can repeat this for each additional testimonial you want to showcase. Next is the pricing page. Editing here is the same. Just double click on the text and make your changes. But as you update the pricing plans, make sure each package clearly explains the value it offers. Customize the button for each plan to encourage conversions. Whether it's to book a consultation, schedule a treatment, or purchase a spa package directly. Now we are at the form section, one of the most important parts. This is where potential clients will reach out with questions about your services or bookings. Make sure to fill in your email, phone number, and address accurately. You might be wondering where the form submissions go. Just head to your site settings. Click on the Forms tab and add the email address where you want to receive the inquiries. Next is the location section, which helps clients find your spa easily. Simply update the location image, change the address to match your spas, and add your Google Maps link to the Get Directions button so clients can navigate to you with a single click. Next is the FAQ section. Based on the most common questions your clients ask, update the text with clear and simple answers. And don't forget, the CTA button here should link directly to your contact form, making it easy for clients to reach out if they have more questions. Now it's time to customize the final CTA section. Even though you've added CTAs throughout the site, many visitors scroll all the way to the bottom before deciding to take action. This is your last chance to convert them. So make sure the text is focused on encouraging them to take the next step. Write it in a persuasive, conversion-focused way and make sure the button clearly redirects to your booking page for a smooth and easy experience. Next, we have the footer section. This is where visitors can easily navigate to your main pages, find your social media profiles, and access your contact links. Make sure all the links are working and point to the right places. If your footer needs a newsletter sign-up, be sure to customize the text to make it inviting. Let people know what kind of updates or offers they'll receive. And don't forget to connect it to your email marketing platform so you can start building your subscriber list. Now that we've fully customized the homepage, it's time to move on to the service pages. But before we jump into that, make sure your homepage is responsive on all devices, especially mobile. This is super important because most spa clients browse and book directly from their phones. So take a moment to check and adjust the layout for mobile, tablet, and desktop views to ensure a smooth user experience everywhere. Now let's move on to the service page. To change the text, simply double-click on the text areas and update it. For the service section images, click on the image in the service panel, go to the image settings and replace the image with your own. There are 6 services listed here, and for each one, you'll need to redirect to its individual service page. Just click on Read More, then select the page you want to link to. Do this for each service section. One thing to note, if you need to add more than 2 pages, you'll need to purchase a plan. I recommend the CMS plan, which offers a custom domain, 150 pages, and CMS collections. This is really useful as your spa business grows in the future. Next is the personalized treatment section. This part helps clients figure out which treatment is right for them. To edit it, just click on the form, go to the settings panel and update the choices based on your spa services. If you want to let clients select more than one option, simply enable the Allow Multiple Choices setting. You can apply the same method to any other forms you see throughout the site. Now we move on to the service single page. Here, you'll want to write content that specifically explains how each service benefits your clients. Keep it clear and focused on results. Add high-quality images including before and after visuals if possible. This builds trust and shows real outcomes. After that, Include a schedule call section. Make sure it's designed to convert. The text should be persuasive, and the button should link directly to your booking page or back to the main service page. And that's it. Your customization is complete. But before we hit publish, let's quickly go over a few important final steps. First, make sure to check the site's responsiveness across all devices. This is crucial, especially for businesses like spas, salons, and service-based businesses. Since many clients will be browsing and booking on their mobile devices, you want to ensure everything looks great and works perfectly on phones, tablets, and desktops. Next, head over to your site settings. Under the General tab, make sure to enter your site name accurately. This will reflect across search results and browser tabs. Then, upload a high-quality site icon using the recommended dimensions. Finally, don't forget to select the correct time zone from the list to ensure everything, like forms and bookings, runs on your local time. Next, let's talk about site access. If you're working with a team, you can easily give access to other members so they can help edit or manage the site. Just go to the Site Access section in your site settings, invite them by email, and assign the appropriate roles based on what they need to do. Now, let's move on to the publishing section. You can either publish your site using the free webflow.io domain, or if you want a professional custom domain like your spa.com, you'll need to purchase a site plan. Once that's set up, you can connect your domain and go live with your fully customized website. That's it. Now just click publish. You can choose to publish on the staging domain or your connected custom domain. Once you do that, your website is live and ready to go. And that's it. Your spa website is ready to help you attract clients online. But remember, a website alone won't do everything. You also need a solid marketing strategy, and don't worry, we've got you covered in our upcoming videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you'll get notified when we post more tips on growing your spa business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.